has the fastest 5G speed? Will it be the iPhone 12 Pro, the Google Pixel 5, or the Samsung S20 FE? This is what I set to find out, but what happened was far worse than I thought. Alright, let me show you what I mean.
Break it down now, phone, gadget, apps, it's the Techie guy, yeah.
And welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name is Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks and how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So the plan was pretty simple. Take these three phones on the same carrier to a location that has 5G. This is important as we know that not all 5G cellular networks are the same. The speed that you get out of your 5G has a lot to do with the way your cellular carrier has actually rolled out 5G to their customers. I have a whole video all about that. I will link that in the description. You can check that out. So, three phones, Apple, Samsung, Google, same carrier, T-Mobile, same location, a secret location in Texas. Put them all next to each other, run some speed tests, and see which is going to win. Going into this, my assumption that there will be really no clear winner. I mean, they should all pretty much be within a couple of megabits of each other. But that certainly didn't happen. Let's head out to the bit where I run the test and show you what actually happened. Okay, so I managed to make it. Sydney is here. We're gonna have the ultimate battle. Sydney, thoughts, 5G, what's gonna win?
I'm going to have to root for the iPhone 12 Pro, mainly because I spent nearly $1,000 on it, and so it has to do better, right? Right?
Well, now you know why I don't buy iPhones. Okay, let's see. Sydney didn't see the results because he had like his jacket going to hold the... anyway,
Blocking the reflection.
don't ask. He didn't see the results. Sydney.
I didn't see it. I'm going to stick with the iPhone. I think the iPhone won. I'm pretty sure that.
Okay, I don't know either. So you'll find out when I find out, when Sydney finds out. Sydney's awesome. Go check out his channel. Link is in the description.
I don't know. Bye.
So, who won? What happened? A horrible mess is actually what happened. Right, we do the speed test and you can already see that the Samsung S20 FE isn't even able to connect, whilst the Pixel 5 has an early lead at 13 megabits per second as a download, 7.91 as an upload. Only then did the Samsung actually connect with some ridiculously low speed, whilst the iPhone has got 2.78 as a download, 5.68 as an upload. So we ran the test again and same results. The S20 can't even make a connection, whilst the Pixel 14.2 and the iPhone 8.73. Look how wildly different the results are. So the next thing was to remove all the phones from being right next to each other. And now we're going to try one phone at a time. So we're going to start off with the iPhone. And now we're going to press on go and let's see what it does. Wow, look at that. Huge difference. 28 megabits per second on the download. And what has it got for the upload? 6.34 as the upload. Next up was the Samsung that couldn't connect. Is it going to make a connection now? Well, still not. Look at the bottom where it says 5G LTE, 5G LTE. So that wasn't even in the running. And finally, the Pixel 5. Let's see what that's going to do when it's it by itself. And what are we going to see? So we have 22 megabits per second on the download and 4.08 on the upload. So three phones, wildly different results, same location, same carrier, and yet the results are ridiculously different every time. Now, before you hit me up in the comments about all the things I did wrong, remember that I'm doing a real world test. This is not a laboratory test. This is a real world test where two friends get together, have a cup of coffee at a random location, both on the same carrier, and yet had wildly different experiences. For me, 5G is a disappointment today. Phones have so much going for them: insane cameras, superb battery life, ridiculous refresh rate on their screens, and much more. But for now, 5G factor that keeps the marketing machine turning is just not a reality. I would love to know from you, are you getting full 5G? What kind of speeds are you getting? Or did you have to downgrade to 4G anyway? Let me know in the comments below. Check out more phone tips and tricks down here. Hit the head below to subscribe if this is your first time here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in those videos. Let's go.